Welcome back to Overcomplicated Cocktails Made Easy by Star Bar Denver. I'm Les, and today we're doing the tried and true old fashioned. I know there's a ton of internet videos on how to do this.
End, or whatever it is that you'd want to use to.
And a splash of water.
Do is the old fashioned.
TikTok. Drinks like this, like the old.
Some good, some bad. Ours is the best. Now, the best bourbon you can use for an old fashioned is 15-year-old Pappy Van Winkle. Seeing as how we don't have that, we're gonna go ahead and use the 23-year-old Pappy Van Winkle. Now, obviously not a 15-year. To bring this down to a 15-year, we're gonna use something that we searched high and long for. A very fine Swedish vodka aged in oak barrels. More rare than any Pappy Van Winkle. They don't even make this anymore. Old fashioned, 3 ingredients: whiskey, sugar, bitters. First ingredient, your sugar. And take 4 dashes of Angostura, 3 dashes of Angostura orange. Now we're gonna take 1 ounce of this beautiful spirit. Oh. And then 1 ounce of the Absolute Oak. Next ingredients, of course, ice. Give this a nice long stir, plenty of dilution. Now, everyone knows that an old-fashioned tastes better with a big cube. Luckily, I just got back from Iceland, and I brought back a giant piece of glacier. Take our cocktail, pour it over that beautiful cube from a soon-to-be extinct glacier, thanks to global warming. Now, last part, express the oils of an orange. But, best way to do that, take a fresh $100 bill, roll that up nice and tight, just like you're about to go into the bathroom. Orange, lemon, Star Bar Old Fashioned. If you want to get really crazy, you could take a note out of Ben Anderson and Chris Cleary's book. Take a pint glass, fresh lipstick, ice, a little 30th anniversary Booker's, some Diet Coke. Cheers, guys. Miss you.